What's going on, guys? My name is Kevin Griffith and this is the Holler Barbecue. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than the past. I just got back from a camping trip with my family and I wanted to take you guys along with me just to show you a little bit of Oregon. There is a cook in here also. I have a new can cooker. I'm doing a seafood boil. So if you're not interested in seeing the different parts of Oregon, go ahead and skip to the food. I'll put that description below, the timestamp of where it starts at. If not, welcome to Oregon.
Frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. The girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach, having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to sunny Sun River, Oregon. Today we're going to be doing a seafood boil with my new can cooker. So sit right there. All right, guys, what we're doing today, I just got a brand new can cooker. What this is just basically like an old milk jug. It's basically put over a heat source. Kind of acts like a pressure steam cooker. Cooks stuff up fairly quick. I did get a little stove for it for Father's Day, but unfortunately it quit working, so we're gonna have to use a grill for the heat source today. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is the bone collector. It's actually 4 gallons. It's gonna hold a lot. We're gonna do a seafood boil today. Just a real quick, simple, something you could do while you're camping. You don't have to have this grill back here. You could actually throw it right over your fire, get some coals burned down really good, and then you could actually put it straight on the fire. But unfortunately, I'm here in Sun River, Oregon. It gets super dry and they shut fires down. So I didn't plan for any fires. So we're just gonna use this is a Weber, which one is this? I forget what it's called. It's basically a little Weber gas grill. I always take it camping. But let me show you what we're gonna do, how we're gonna get this put together. All right, guys, so we are camping, so this is gonna be a super simple cook. Let me show you. So this can cooker basically just has these latches, comes right off. Basically has a lid that's basically sealed all the way around. Now, one thing that this thing doesn't come with are these things in here. Basically some racks that your food can be basically elevated so it's not sitting in the water or whatever you're creating steam with. So these just go in. We are gonna do this really simple today. Just gonna add some water to it. Basically until the racks are about covered up, but they're not covered up. That'll be enough. Then I'm actually gonna season the water. The first thing is going to be a little bit of garlic salt. Not much. Then I got this stuff right here. It's called a Cajun Life Seafood Rub. It does have a little heat to it, so I'm not going to actually be putting this on the food since my family doesn't like too much heat, but I'm putting it in the water as it boils. And then I just got this stuff today at the store called, let me see if I can get that for you. This is Cherry Creek Seafood Seasoning. Let me see if I can. So this basically has some salt, has lemon, dill, pepper, onion, all kind of good seasonings. That's also going to go in the water. Stir that around a little bit. And that's what we're going to use to steam this food with. One other thing I did forget, I'm going to do a little bit of lemon into this. Put the whole thing in. We're actually going to start with corn. They suggest putting it on its ends, just stacking it in there. I guess if you want to put a whole bunch in there. As I'm looking now, I don't have that much, so they're just going in. Next thing I have just some of these petite gold potatoes. We're gonna put those in. One thing I did forget, the instructions say to use cooking spray on the inside. Forgot to put that on the bottom. There's just water in there right now, but we'll go ahead and spray a little bit in there now. It's supposed to help with cleanup. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do is just add some cut up sausage, smoked sausage to it. And then I'm gonna put some garlic salt on top of these potatoes and corn. And that's it for right now. So what we're gonna do is, this is gonna cook for about 20, 25 minutes once we start seeing steam come out this hole right here. And then we'll be adding, I got shrimp and crab that we'll be adding to this. All right, let's get it on. All right guys, so my brilliant plan to put this thing on the grill outside did not work. So welcome to the inside of my camper. I know everybody can't do this, but like I said, you could just put this straight over fire too and it would work perfect. But for this, we got to bring it in. So I'm sorry if the lighting and the video quality is not that great. Not that great of a quality light in here. So we're gonna get it going. So as you can see, it's steaming right now. I've got the timer set for 20 minutes. And once that goes off, we're gonna add our shrimp and crab to it. I'm gonna put a little bit more lemon. I'm actually gonna drop some butter in there. We're gonna do some seasonings. And that's basically, after that, another 20 minutes once the shrimp are in there. And that's it for the cook. So even though it's supposed to be outdoor, today we're not doing outdoor with it. Basically bringing it in the trailer. Basically the burner that I got, the regulator that the gas can goes in, busted a gasket or something, or O-ring or something. It started shooting gas everywhere. So we're gonna have to call Amazon up and, you know, get us a new, either a new one or a new hose. The hose was wrong, so we'll see. So timer's going on this. I'll see you back in 20 minutes once we start putting, oh, let me go ahead and go over this. So I have about 2 pounds of Dungeness crab. And then I have just some raw tail-on shrimp. This is the 21 to 25. So these are bigger ones. This is what I was wanting. Came from Costco, came from Safeway. All right, guys, see you in a minute. All right, guys, we've been right around 25 minutes now, so we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp and crab. Now this lid is super hot, so be sure to be careful when you're messing with this. I'm gonna go ahead and dump all my shrimp in. On those shrimp, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little bit more lemon. Put the whole thing in. And I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. A lot of the recipes call for your butter the whole time, but I don't know why we need that the whole time. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of butter in here right now. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our crab in. A little bit more butter. So I added basically a stick of butter for this whole thing. I'm gonna add some garlic salt on top of that. Then let's squeeze another half lemon in there. All right, let's get it closed back down, back on the fire. And then I'm gonna go for another 20 minutes to cook this crab and shrimp. And the next time you see me, we'll head outside and we're gonna dump it out, show you what it's like. It's gonna be awesome. All right guys, our cook is finished. Like I said, it's super simple. Now all we gotta do is just pour this into this pan right here. It's been done for about 5 minutes maybe, just having it cool down. Yeah, let me see if I can get this in here for you. Still got a little bit more in there. All right guys, there we go. Pretty easy cook. Not much to do in that can cooker besides just put it in there, let it cook. We're gonna sit down to dinner right now, enjoy our camping meal. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Let me show you around Oregon a little bit.
Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice. Cruising down the road, no thought getting old. The girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road,
All right, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you got to see stuff that you've never seen before. If you ever get a chance to come to Oregon, I suggest it. It's a beautiful place. If you got any questions or comments about any of the places that I visited or the cook itself, just go ahead and put them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and always holler back.